Okay, now we're going to try all the questions from D to I here, and they say determine the equation of the reflection of y equals 2 to the x, f of x equals 2 to the x about the x-axis. Well, all we have to do that is make all the y's negative. So it's minus, this is y equals minus 2x. So we just make y negative. We multiply both sides by -1, and we know that's what this is, the one that turns down below the x-axis. So all of f of x values, or y values, go negative. Just make it negative, and that's the answer. Determine the equation of the reflection about the y-axis. Well, we just make the x go negative. And oh, that's a half x. That's what flips it across. That's what makes it go the other way. All the x values change sign. What about this one? Determine the equation of a new graph form if it shifted 3 units to the right, just 3 units to the right. Well, if we want to move to the right, don't we then you just subtract inside the brackets to shift to the right. So that's why the answer is x minus 3. Let's try G. Determine the equation of the new graph if it's formed 3 units to the left. 3 units to the left. Oh, G's not there. But if it goes 3 units to the left, it would be x plus 3. Instead of x minus 3, it would be x plus 3. And let's try H. Determine the equation of the new graph formed if it's going 3 units upward. Well, you just add 3. What about 3 units downwards? Well, then you just subtract 3. Now, I don't know what the question was for J, but I know by looking at the answer what it was. How would you move something 1 unit to the right and 2 units up? That's how you would move a function 1 unit to the right. You do the opposite. You subtract 1 to move it to the right, and you add 2 to shift the whole thing vertically upward. So that must be the question. How do you move it 1 unit to the right and 2 units up? And there you go. Well, that's all of question 2 done. All the reflections and horizontal and vertical shifts. There you go.